Alright, it's time to move on to the next section of our WordPress course. We're going to be finalizing our WordPress plugins and settings. Okay, let's get at these settings. Let's go to General. And what you need to do here is change your time zone to the city that you live in. And I simply scroll up until I find the closest city to me, which is Toronto. And the date format, I like to use the numbers as opposed to the letters. And I like to use capital letters. And I save changes. We're going to get to these as we need to. I'm not going to set them all up quite yet. And you can follow along and do exactly as I do it. What we do need to do right now though is set up our permalinks. And our permalinks should be like this. And right here, I always go year, post name. And I save changes. That's it for this one. What you may want to do is open up your XML sitemap, because sometimes it does build itself and sometimes it doesn't. This one is telling me that it actually did build itself, which is good. I'm thinking maybe what I'm going to do now is go to my blog details. In the traffic getting SEO plugin, I'm going to enter in my keywords and I'm going to set this up. Alright, you see up here where it says build a site with WordPress. That's the extended blog title. Let's change that to one of the related keywords. Let's change that to how to start a website business. Now let's update it. Save details. Now if we open it up in a new window, now it says how to start a website business, so we've got an extra related keyword in here. Now let's go to our description. And this is what I'm going to use. This Build a Site with WordPress course is going to teach building a website step by step and how to start a website business. Now without sounding too awful spammy, we've got keywords build a site with WordPress, related keyword WordPress course, building a website step by step, and how to start a website business. So that's 4 different keywords. And now down here for my keywords, I'm going to add these ones. I'll open up another document and I'll show you. Always put your name second or third at the tops. Some people even put it first in their keywords. So let's build a site with WordPress, your name, WordPress course, how to start a website business, building a website step by step, WordPress website examples, which is going to be one of the blog posts that I do, and cost of building a website. So those are my keywords. And I save details. Blog details updated. Now I need to go back to plugins, because there's a couple of more that need to be set up here. So let's get at them. Alright, the plugins that we need to fix up now is actually the Contact Form 7 plugin and the Google Privacy Policy. And these 2 plugins have a separate page of their own, so we need to add 2 pages. So we just go Add New. Contact me. And what we want to do is check Disable Sociable. We publish it. We go Add New. We go Privacy Policy. And we disable Sociable. And we publish it. Now we click on Contact. and you copy this stuff right here, right from the outside of the bracket to the outside of the bracket. Copy, go back to your pages, click on this one, edit, text, paste it, update, preview it. There's your contact form. Now we go to plugins. Actually, we check our settings, privacy policy, and the same thing from the outside of the arrow to the outside of the arrow. Copy, back to your pages. You want to edit privacy policy. Still on text here, not visual. Paste, update, preview it. You just made yourself a privacy policy for your website, which Google loves, and so do people that actually read the privacy policies. Let's go back to our dashboard. And right now we have 3 pages in one post, and this post will eventually be changed and or deleted. And the only pages we have are contact, privacy policy, and one sample page which will be changed and or deleted. Let's go to our website. This website is ready